Hey guys, today we're making cashew paste, which goes both into curries as well as kebabs. We're gonna do a simple, straightforward chicken tikka recipe and showcase one method of utilizing the garam masala spice blend, the ginger garlic paste, and the cashew paste that we made in previous videos. Cashew trees produce the shells that have the seed inside that we know as cashews. The Portuguese exported cashews during the 1500s when they had colonized Goa. India is currently a leading producer of cashews. To prepare the cashew paste, soak the cashews in water for 15 to 20 minutes and then blend to a smooth consistency. You can add water as needed to get the desired consistency. Cashew paste has a nutty and mildly sweet flavor profile, and its texture helps the overall bodies of curries and marinations. Start off by putting hung yogurt in a mixing bowl, add in the ginger garlic paste and cashew paste, then add in cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, green cardamom powder, salt, black pepper powder, lemon juice, garam masala spice blend. Mix these ingredients with a whisk and then add in your chicken thighs and mix once again. Transfer the mixed chicken into a quart container and store in the fridge overnight. While we cook the chicken in the tandoor, you can bake your chicken in an oven at 350 degrees until it's about 90% cooked. Cooking time will vary depending on the size of chicken. Finish the last 5 to 10% of cooking by broiling to get a nice char on the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, you can baste it with melted butter and a pinch of sea salt. Serve with sliced red onions, mint cilantro chutney, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Check out the recipe in the description below.